Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have a special treat for you guys. I have been contacted by the Ocpud team once again and they have sent me several items free for review and I want to show them to you today. I've had these for a little while. I will tell you I have been waiting to hear back from my contact and I never have heard back from her or him. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this because I've had it here for over a month and I have tried to reach them and cannot. So I know they want me to get this information out. I will have all their information in my description and you will love what they have sent me. Now what I'm thinking is something happened to my contact and I pray that he or she is okay. But I want to tell you a little bit about them too. They are like a handbag, functional handbag company. They have a website and of course it's ocpud.com and I encourage you to go over and check out their items. They have some really cool things and they let me pick out about $30 worth of merchandise and I have it here. And the first thing that I have is a storage hanging handbag organizer for your closet. And it came in this bag. And guys, I think this is like for your purses. Like if you want to hang up and store purses. It was $8.92. And I want you to take a look at this. It's a good size. It has several spots in there where you can put your handbags in there. And remember, it's got a little bit of coverage here, but if your handbags have dust covers, you could set your handbags in there with the dust covers on. And then there's a smaller size up here like for crossbody bags. And you might could stack shoes in here if you'd rather have shoes, but I got it to stack some of my purses in. And you can see the bottom is really long and deep. And then we have a medium. So I think we have like two kind of large to medium bins and then two smaller ones up here at the top. And then if you're not going to use it for a while, it's easy to just fold back up and store. So then it reduces down to this size. So it's really a nice little buy, I think. So if you need some closet organization and or purse organization, I think this would be a great idea. Now the next item that I chose was a brush, and it is a boar bristle brush. It's nylon and it's a wet curl detangling brush. I got mine in white and it was $4.92. So very good price. So not only do they have functional bags, they have functional combs and brushes. And this is really nice. I would have to say this is better than the FabFitFun one I got. You know, guys, that FabFitFun brush, it just didn't pan out. It doesn't even have strong bristles. And so it does fine if you're just combing like the bottom part of your hair, but to get to your scalp, I mean, I don't know, I think I'd have to dig in to do it. This one does it real easily. And I love that. It's just a great little brush, and it was only $4.92. Now, I don't know how much a brush like this would cost in the States. There's no brand on here, but it does have a nice grip handle, which I like. And then it's got the, nice bristle pad for brushing out long hair. And it says it's a detangler, and I would assume it probably is. The next item that I have is a online fashion Korean minority mobile little satchel, and this is in coffee and it says fashion bag on there, and it was $8.70, and it's really cute. I want to show you on the inside. We have our straps, we have our little decoration, but I want you to see how cute this is. It's just small enough to carry like your phone, and I have my phone right here and I can get my phone in there. And I can close it up very easily. So it carries your phone, and then there's still another bag. And I have a mascara right here. I would have a lipstick in there, and I would be set to go. And of course, I carry usually one of those little small wallets. Hold on. I have several of these little small wallets that I always have in my other whatever bag that I have a credit card in it. I usually have some cash in it. And then if there's any change that's been given to me, then I have some change in it. Well, this is going to easily fit down in here. And it's got a keychain on there, so if I wanted to put my key on there, I could. But this all fit in there. I've got a mascara, I've got that little coin purse, I've got my phone, and I still have room for a lipstick. Now, the little decoration on here, you just clip on. I think it's like our little handle. Now, this is our decorative little handle, so I mean, if you wanted to, you could carry it just like this. And it's going to flatten out on the bottom. And yes, it will set up. So you could just carry it like that. But if you want to have it as a crossbody because you're traveling or you're on a moped or you just want it to sling across your shoulder, then you can add the straps. I'm going to have the links down in my description. But here you go. And you can expand this. You see how you can expand it? And this is made out of pretty good, I'd say, PU leather. But look at that. It's all ready to go. I can just throw it on my shoulder, or I can extend it and have it as a cute little crossbody. And if I don't even want the straps on there, I can just use my little pearl handle. So this is adorable. I just love it. I think it's so cute. And remember, you've got plenty of room inside to put your essentials. So it's small but effective. There you go. Love that. And then the last item I picked was just for a little fun. And this is a pink lovely cat bag. And they call it Quicksand Pencil Case. It's a kawaii cute cat bag. And you can put your pencils in here. It's $7.44. And guys, I'm giving you the prices when I got this, so the prices could be a little different. So do keep that in mind. But I want to show you more detail on this little bag. But this too can easily be used as a little carry purse, just to slip on, maybe even to put onto your backpack. You've got this nice little tag here. It's in pink. You've got this silver detail of a star. Uh-oh, who does that remind us of? Oh yeah, you want to be a superstar, you got to go check out Reviews with Sue. She is the Star Queen. And it has a lovely cat, and you could probably put a picture of your cat down in there. Or if you're going to school, you could set your ID down in there maybe. But on the inside, you open that up, and it's got the Velcro enclosure. And this is made out of a heavy-duty vinyl, is what I'd say. So it's waterproof. And you got room to put some essentials in there. That could be the little secret compartment to keep some money. And then over here you have a breathable netted space that you can put something in. And then on the inside you have a nice big zipper pouch to put all your pencils and essentials. And of course they've got a piece of paper in there, but you can see it's pink on the inside, and it is just adorable. So all four of these items cost me $29.70. And I say I got a great buy. I say I got some good products. And I got a variety, and I wanted to show you that they are the Functional Bag Company. You can get other types of travel bags, functional bags for storage, functional bags for going places, like when you just need a little. This is just adorable, and it looks like it could be a type of dupe of something, but I don't know what it is. You'd have to let me know. But I'll have to remember to get all my stuff out of there. Unless I'm going to the store and it's perfect size, to just grab it up and go, I'm all set. So anyways, that's what I got. I got the little fashion bag, and it is a crossbody, and it's just adorably cute. And you could even have your handle hanging down for extra decoration, and then you just clap that down. It's got a magnetic closure, a magnetic snap. And then we got our hanging bag. I'm going to use it for storing handbags. So my handbag storage, we got that. I got my wonderful brush that works really good, and I'd have to say this $4.92 works better than that $45 one from FabFitFun. I'm not going to be sending that out to any of you guys. As pretty as it was, that's all it is. It's a pretty piece just to set on your counter, because it's not effective. I didn't know that at the time, because when I brushed my locks, it seemed like it brushed okay, but when I actually tried to use it, I thought it was just my hair because it was long and thicker, but then I heard from some others that have shorter and thinner hair that they were having the same problem. But anyway, that's enough of that story. You all tell me what your favorite item is out of all these things that I got from Octopud. and it's ocpud.com. Be sure and go over and check out these and lots of other items. They got lots to choose from, combs and brushes, all kinds of little bags for you, for your daughters, for little boys. They've got backpack things like for foraging, like if you're picking up grapes and acorns and that kind of stuff in the forest. For camping, they've got camping functional bags. They've got all kinds of bags, and of course they've got these little cute little crossbody bags, and then they have functional storage for you. So go over there and check them out. Now guys, be sure to check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. I do have my FabFitFun Triple Crown Battle still open with Reviews with Sue and Laura Wooten reviews. 3 giveaways with that. You must be subscribed to all 3. I do have my 1, 2, 3 fantastic giveaways out there for my 2,000 subscriber celebration, and you always have to be on the lookout for surprise giveaways because there might be one hidden somewhere. But as for today and Ocpud, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.